Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Riyan Reddy Fun Intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what to teach your 2 to 3 years old kid. It's always so much fun to see them learning, and they always want to learn and always want to explore. It's our duty as a parents to allow them to explore and teach the right path at the right appropriate age. Preschool curriculum for 2 to 3 years old kids. As a parents, we are very much confused what and how to teach for 2 to 3 years old kids. Oral teaching is the most important thing at the age of 2 and 3 years old. Here I am going to show some of the things that every parent must teach to their kids. They must be able to understand the difference between more and less, full and empty, near and far, up and down, on and in and out, front and back, small and big, left and right, hot and cold, fast and slow, clean and dirt, and the difference between the yesterday, today and tomorrow. It will be difficult for each and every child to differentiate between yesterday, today and tomorrow. In place of yesterday, they will tell today or tomorrow. In place of today, they will tell yesterday or tomorrow. This is the most difficult thing for each and every child to understand yesterday, today and tomorrow. As a parents, you must make them easy to differentiate between these things, and they must also be able to tell their names, family members names, some of the basic body parts and sense organs like eyes, ears, skin, hands, mouth, so on. And they must be able to tell the names of the months and names of the days, and they must able to say some fruits names and vegetables names and differentiate the fruits and vegetables, tell some rhymes, some animal sounds and oral ABCs from A to Z, sing songs and differentiate some shapes and colors. Here's come to the basic manners that every child must be known at the age of 2 and 3 years old. Wishing elders. Wishing elders is the most important for every child. Wishing good morning, evening, and good night. Saying some basic things like sorry, thank you, please, excuse me, it's okay. This makes the special impression on kids. Washing hands before eating, cleaning up their toys after playing. Next, here come to the writing part. English. In English, the basic strokes which help in writing are standing line, sleeping line. Basic strokes like standing line, sleeping line, circle, curves and zigzag line. And they must be able to trace on the dotted lines which you regularly give them. With this, slowly they will learn writing alphabets and numbers. Here come to the maths. In maths, they must be able to count the numbers from 0 to 20, 10, 30 and 50. Identify the quantity. If you show 5 pens, they must be able to tell that there are 5 pens. If you show some fruits, they must be able to identify the quantity and number of things that you have shown to them. Here comes to the parents. As a parents, tell them some bedtime stories that makes lot of difference in their behavior. Spend some time with kids not only for teaching but also for playing. If you play with the kids, they will feel free to share anything with you. So as a parent, spend the time with your kids, take them to playground, say some stories, tell them some rhymes, manners, behavior, social manners, etc. This makes your kids special. If you find it useful, please follow me, Please do subscribe, like and share. Please do follow me on Instagram.